Hello, my name is Ian Isley and I work as a systems engineer for V3iT. Now, I'm part of a small team of individuals from all around the world, and we work together on multiple different projects for many different clients, which provides us with new opportunities and new challenges every day of work. In today's fast-paced IT environment, having a philosophy of continuous education must be had, and the V3iT management understands this by encouraging their employees to take additional courses and certifications offered by top-tier tech companies we're working with and whose products we're working with, such as SAP, Microsoft, and Amazon. And these are what have helped me grow as a professional in the field and help us provide our clients with the best service possible. So, if you wish to work in a diverse team environment and be presented with new challenges and new opportunities every single day to build your knowledge in your career, then consider V3iT.